So hello everyone, welcome back to another economics class. So this is a continuation of a series for economics for NPSC and NSSB. Although this video will be helpful for your NPSC as well as NSSB preparation. And today the topic which I'm gonna explain is economic planning. And if you like this channel, you can subscribe. And if you're interested in the mock test also, the link is provided in the description. You can check it out in the community channel for more information relating the mock test for the combined technical general studies mock test. So these are the demo questions. If you want to go through this, you can check it, and I've also provided in the community channel. You can check it out. So let us start with the class, that is economic planning. So after 1947 when India the independence pacha, we needed an economic planning process because one country we were in immense poverty. The British looted us of more than billions of dollars. Aro mana India like economic condition though man weak, we were not able to feed our people also. So because of this 1951 balina mon economic planning, that is it is known as the 5-year plan. 5-year plan in the sense like 5 years kind of economic planning grow. What are the specific targets recommend? That means, for example, ekta sal de mon agriculture de focus grow, ekta sal de mon industry de focus grow, ekta sal de mon poverty elevation de focus grow, inga poverty eradication. Okay. So these are some of the 5-year plans. So we'll be studying about this in MCQ format. So let us start with the class. First question: in which 5-year plan was advocated planning shifted from agriculture to industry? So kundu 5-year plan de mon agriculture by industry de shift kurse. So from this we know that first 5-year plan though we focused on agriculture, that is mon first khalwa de focus kore dekhilo because India had a huge population and not a single morsel of food to feed. So one first focused on agriculture direction 1951 by 1955 tak. So the second 5-year plan to mon ido Mahalanobis model buise ido Mahalanobis So Mahalanobis model PC Mahalanobis connect mano dekhise taila model de mon focus korise to focus on the iron and steel industry. So it is the second 5-year plan. The second 5-year plan was spread across the time period from 1956 to 61. Aro is let it focus on development of public sector and rapid industrialization. Aro do Mahalanobis model established Gorshe Prasanda Chandra Mahalanobis kona ekdam manuba. Aro it used the prevalent state-of-the-art technique of operation research and optimization as well as a novel application of statistical models developed by the ISI. It was and the plan assumed a closed economy in which the main trading activity will be centered on importing capital goods. From the second 5-year plan, there was a determined thrust towards substitution of basic and capital goods industry. So let us take a look at the various 5-year plan of India. So first 5-year plan though 1951 to 56 section, second though 56 to 61, third though 61 to 66, and plan holidays though 1966 to 69. That is 3 years kane idu plan holiday deise because of the Chinese invasion as well as drought deise. Fourth 5-year plan though 1969 to 74 ta deise, and fifth 5-year plan though 1974 by 78 ta. Aro sixth 5-year plan to 1980 by 85 and seventh 5-year plan to 1985 to 90. It is our break deise annual plan because one political turmoil deise Rajiv Gandhi assassinate ujese and Prime Minister do 3 bar 4 bar change ujese. Because of this annual plan deise. Eighth 5-year plan though it is during this time that the LPG reforms was started. Liberalization, privatization, globalization or human development index pe idu dam de develop hola je. 9th 5-year plan to 1997 to 2002 idu BJP government under Atal Bihari Vajpayee time dekhse. 10th 5-year plan to 2007 idu Congress government la dekhse. 11th 5-year plan to it will be Congress government adhection. And the last is the shortest is the Tua 5-year plan 2002 pa 17 tak tago adhection, but 2014 tak use because after 2014 the Narendra Modi government came to power and the 5-year plan to tan eliminate korna ki anishe Niti Ayog, National Institution for Transforming India anishe in 2014. So this is the broad description of all the 5-year plan. Let us go to the next question. That is, the actual growth rate of the 9 and 10 5-year plan was touched and less respectively. So 9 and 10 la 5-year plan do calculate group was it. That is, we experience a growth of 5.4% during the 9th plan. 9th plan the month 5.4% growth rate experience kuche. It is the 10th plan the month we experience a growth rate of 7.6%. So we received a tremendous growth rate during this 5-year plan, that is 9 and 10 5-year plan. So the answer is A, that is 5.4 and 7.6. So we'll study about the 5-year plan. The 5-year plan was first launched in 1951. Since also India witnessed 12 5-year plan with different objects and results. In 2015, the Narendra Modi government put the 5-year plan to rest. The 5-year plan has been replaced by a 15-time vision plan supported by a 3-time action plan. According to the government, India needs a long-term vision for its growth and development in colorful sectors and fields. Next question. That is, during which of the following years the first 5-year plan was implemented? We know that 1951 was started. So let's take a look at the option, that is 1951 to 56 as an answer. So first 5-year plan, let us study about this. First 5-year plan the 1951 is shuru are the model to Herod Damar model kuche, and it is mainly focused on the development of the primary sector, that is agriculture, and implemented by Jawaharlal Nehru, who was India's first prime minister. The object of this plan was to, in India, the agriculture has been the most powerful source of the country's income. Next question. Question number 4. In which year was the fourth 5-year plan started? So, idula trick to kina sukle the 1951 ba 1956 tak. That is the first 5-year plan. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. 6 years na. It is in 1956 palo na. 1956, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61. 1961. Ito siya. Second. First, second. Third to 1961 palo na. 1966 tak. 5 years. It is in 1966 palo na. 1969 tak. Ito annual plan deksha. So ito fourth to no ito 1969 ba ito la time de mon annual plan ko ito annual plan. So 1969 ba na mon 1974 dekta fourth 5-year plan to loja. That is exactly fourth to ito. 1966 ba 69 ito to annual plan deksha. So the answer will be 1969. The starting, that is C. 1969 ba sure ko siya. So I hope you got this. The plan was started from 1st of April 1969 and 31st of March 1974. The plan was based on the Ashok Rudra Menon model as a model namdo Ashok Rudra Menon model. And the main objective of this scheme was developed with stability and attainment of economic self-reliance. And during this plan, Garibi Hatao to dishe. So the second question becomes is in which 5-year plan Garibi Hatao was implemented? That is the fourth 5-year plan. Although it was an original slogan of 1971 general elections. Our targeted growth rate 5.7 leksha will be 3.3% growth rate achieved. Yadi but takeaways question kan ki ase bole to itla fourth five-year plan model an ki ase Ashok Rudra model 1969 ba 74 ta koise aro main slogan to garibi hatao daise and growth stability and attainment of economic self-reliance to tana objective daise. So this is the answer. Next question. Which of the following is not an objective of economic planning? Economic planning the industrial growth the self-reliance and economic generation, employment generation. Kali population growth was not the objective of the economic planning. So, in 1990 to 91, India faced a balance of payment crisis, where foreign exchange reserves were just adequate to finance 15 days of imports. In order to get out of the economic crisis in 1991, India launched the LPG model, that is the new economic policy or liberalization, privatization and globalization. Aro liberalization dike ajo bole to mon ido license trust to hatai do. Beginning of privatization, private companies can include grow and globalization in India economy to rest of the economy lo de combine grow. The next question, number 6. The final approval of the 5-year plan was given by which of the following? That is final approval. 5-year plan to approve of which kun ba last day submit kore. That is, it is submitted. It is approved by the National Development Council (NDC). So, the National Development Council is the final approval authority for the 5-year plan, headed by the Prime Minister, Union Cabinet Ministers, Chief Ministers, or representatives of all states, and members of Niti Aayog. The Planning Commission is an institution of the Government of India which formulated the 5-year plan. Although Planning Commission though it is a non-constitutional or an extra constitutional body, or non-statutory body, means it is constitutional. And in 2014, the Narendra Modi announced the dissolution of the Planning Commission and replaced with a new body called the Niti Aayog. Question number 7. With which objective growth with stability was among the following 5-year plan launch? So we know that growth with stability though we have already gone across, that is 1969 by 74 that is the fourth 5-year plan there. That is the fourth 5-year plan there. Alright, the key Ashok Rudra Menon model. The key Ashok Rudra Menon model, fourth 5-year plan, growth with stability. Aru itu tamde idu garibi hatao garibi means idu poverty. P idu be slogan do tan formulate kursi tamde. So fourth 5-year plan do 69 over 74 and economic growth and stability la slogan la objective deja, and Mrs. Indira Gandhi ba idu the nationalization of 14 major banks and green revolution be fourth 5-year plan to shuru korje under the guidance of Mr. M.S. Swaminathan. Aro garibi hatao kona taila slogan be dekhse aro target growth rate 5.7 dekhse ole one 3.3 hoise. Nationalization of bank itu establish korje, that is bank concept to private sector eta hodo public sector korje. So third 5-year plan to agriculture and industry to focus dekhse. Fifth 5-year plan to poverty elevation, but don't get confused with garibi hatao. Garibi hatao to fourth te dekhse na, fourth te dekhse garibi hatao to libe poverty elevation to 5th te dekhse and employment generation do 6th te dekhse. Next question number 8. When was the Planning Commission established? The Planning Commission though it is a extra constitutional body, means constitution devi likhina nai aro non statutory body as a, that is the eco statute pabi established korana. It is an extra constitutional body aro it is established by an executive order of the President of India. Aro Planning Commission though it was established in when 1950 de. Aro the Planning Commission ke 2014 de kunba replace kurse by the Niti Aayog. itu planning commission no khatam ho jaise after 2014. So let us study about the previous planning commission. The planning commission reports directly to the Prime Minister of India, established on 15th of March 2015. Date to year to some date to 15th of March is Jawaharlal Nehru established Kuja. And the planning commission was an institution in the government of India in which it formulated India's 5-year plans. With the Prime Minister as the ex-officio chairman, the committee had nominated deputy chairman with the rank of a full cabinet minister. Next question. Who is considered as the main architect of the second 5-year plan? The second 5-year plan main architect who is second 5-year plan the Mon Mahalanobis model pe mate. So it is Mr. Prashanta Chandra Mahalanobis, BC Mahalanobis. So let us study about the 5-year plan, the second 5-year plan, also called the Mahalanobis model after BC Mahalanobis, and it is based on the 1928 Soviet model of field man. It is emphasis on economic stability, and the main focus is industry direction. Consequently, the agri sector got low priority. Its objective was rapid industrialization, particularly basic and heavy industries such as iron and steel, heavy chemicals like nitrogenous fertilizers, etc. And besides, the industrial policy on 1956 emphasized the role of public sector and accepted the establishment of a socialist pattern of society as the goal of economic policy. Advocated huge import, which led to emptying of funds, leading to foreign loans. It shifted basic emphasis on agriculture industry far too soon. During this plan, price doubled to 30% of UDC against decline of 13% during the first 5-year plan. So this is the answer. The next question is, in which 5-year plan Garibi Hatau Doje? That is the fourth 5-year plan from 1969 to 1974 under PM Indira Gandhi. So with this, the video on economic planning has been completed. I hope you all have understood something, and if you're interested in the mock test, the link is provided in the description. You can check it out for more online mock test information. So I hope you like this content. So thank you guys for watching, and all the best for your exam. Thank you.